This is a gallon of cocktail sauce. Oh, I'm not happy about this one.
Well, boys, take it on the chin.
Oh! 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 Okay, well, tartar sauce is up next. This is one of the worst things I've ever thought of for Kentucky roulette. This is 1 gallon of clam juice. No! No! It's gonna go off. That was it. That's it. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. Ah! I can't escape it. This is 1 whole gallon of escargot. Oh. The finest snails around.
This is gonna be a tough one, Scott. One might say we're gonna have to slug it out.